Welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a row stay in Google Sheets. It is so easy, you can just do it in your iPhone. The first thing to do is you determine the row that you want to stay in place. For example, in my personal budget sheets here, I want this top row until the 13th row to stay in place. So I need to click on the 13th row. The key is to click on the number of the row here until every cells in the 13th row is selected, and then you click again here until some options appear such as cut, copy, autofill, and clear, but this is not the option that we want, so we click on more options here and we choose freeze 13 rows. Alright, after that this row will stay in place, except from the other rows that we can still scroll down. That's all. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you guys.